Hi, it's Mike again. Welcome to the how-to video. In this video I'm going to show you all about my lantern boxes that I make. If you haven't already seen my other video, here's a link up here on how I make these lantern boxes, but I'm specifically going to talk about this box here, which is my weekend travel box. When I go away for camping just with the family and stuff, I don't need a lot of fuel. I just carry 1 or 2 lanterns and a stove, and I don't really need a big jug of fuel for a weekend. If I'm going to a gathering, I'll take a couple big jugs, but if it's just myself and the family and just a couple lanterns, I don't need a lot of fuel. So what I did is I made this special box here just to carry just a little bit of fuel, and it has a toolkit, and it has a funnel placed for a funnel, and my alcohol bottle, and I have naphtha and kerosene, and it's all good for a weekend's worth of camping. All nicely tightly sealed, and if anything spills, I don't have to worry about it. It sits on nicely in here, and a nice little carrying case. So what I'll do is I'll break down how this is actually built, and perhaps you can build something like this for yourself as well. So this fuel carry box is very similar to my other lantern boxes, like this 242K box that I made. Just simple construction, and I have a video on how to make these boxes. And what I did with this fuel box, I actually made a little bit shorter, and it stores all the fuel. And then on the top lid section, I actually have kind of a mini tool case, and it holds mantles and a small check valve removal tool and everything that you need to do a little bit of maintenance for your lantern on a weekend excursion. So I pretty much just take this amount of fuel that I need for a weekend. So I have a bottle of naphtha, and I also have a bottle of kerosene. And in here it's divided with a little wall, and it has a little slot to put the funnel. And then the alcohol bottle too just fits in a nice tube in there like that. And then I have a spare alcohol bottle here as well. So it all fits nicely in there. So the divider is just free floating. It just slides in. Put these on 45. 45 has a slot for the funnel to sit in. And this is just ABS. It's nailed in on the side with some zap straps and a little recessed pocket there that it slides into. It just slides nicely in here. So the toolkit gets accessed just by unscrewing this wing nut. That comes off. That holds that. And then I have all the slim wrenches. So I just went to the dollar store and I bought a bunch of wrenches that fit nicely in here. So all the wrenches you would need to work on a Coleman lantern. Extra mantles, and then a mini check valve removal tool just in case you have to do an emergency repair. So it all fits nicely in there. So you just kind of put it all back. So basically just for emergency purposes, in case you have to do some field repairs. Like that, like that. And I put a little sticker here just to remind everybody that there's fuel in there. So the fuel box is actually the same size as my 200 box, and I'll put a link right here to build this box. And basically all it is just a little bit shorter because the fuel bottle is not that tall. So if you want to build them the same size, you can. Makes for a bigger, maybe a tool section, but it's up to you. It's just a square box. The dimensions are the same as my 200 box. I just made this a little shorter because I don't need that much room inside for the fuel. Well, I hope you found that informative. I don't know about you, but when I like to go camping, I like to keep everything neat and organized, and I know where everything is. And I keep everything in this box, so when I want to go camping for a weekend, I just grab the box and it's good to go. So I hope that inspires you to build something similar. And once again, thanks for watching.